Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. Happy Friday. I am going to share everything I got in my grocery haul this week from Walmart. This week's grocery haul from Walmart was $139. If you are curious, or maybe you're just new here, our grocery budget for everything, and when I say everything, I mean household things like laundry, cleaning products, paper goods, toilet paper, paper towels, cat food, drinks, everything we eat for the week is $200 a week. I usually try to stay around $150. Again, this week's haul was $139. I think I'm going to start over here and work my way this way. So again, all of this is from Walmart. I grabbed some Mott's Mango Peach applesauce pouches, mainly for me because I've just fallen in love with this flavor. And I'm always on the go. And even though it's, I guess, kind of geared towards kids, I don't care because I love the flavor. So I would gladly eat one of these on the go. And obviously there's 4 in here, so if my son wants one, that's perfectly fine. I'll probably grab a couple more next trip, but I just grabbed one for today. I got some cat food for the cat, the Delectables, like stew food. I got a DiGiorno margarita thin crust pizza for this weekend, which is Sunday football. We're having people over, so I grabbed that as just one option to cut up into like pizza strips. This is a new flavor, or at least new to me, of the Red Lobster biscuits. We love the cheddar ones, but this is the rosemary garlic parmesan. It appears you make them the same way as the cheddar biscuits, but just a different flavor, so I'm very excited to try those. I got a big bag of pretzels for football to put out, and my son actually really likes those as well. I got our usual dozen cage-free brown eggs. I got Grady's less sugar chocolate chip granola bars, which is the only flavor that he likes. Some strawberries, they were on sale for $1.88, I believe. Some pepperoni. Christina, I think it was you who recommended this flavor, the Grill Mate by McCormick, tomato, garlic, and basil marinade. I've got some chicken thighs and chicken legs I'm going to do in this, probably not next week, but the week after. So very excited for that. Thank you for the recommendation. I got another package of the McCormick chili mix because I used the one I had, and I like to try to always replace everything that I use if I can remember to. Some Sargento baby Swiss cheese for Matt's lunches. I grabbed this Seeds of Change Spanish style rice. This is the quinoa, red bell pepper, and corn. You can actually see it. I've tried several different ones of these. I don't think I've ever tried this one, so I thought I would try it. Because I thought this would be a good lunch option for myself with maybe some veggies or some kind of a protein. Since I'm going to be starting back at the gym next week, I thought that would be a good little side dish. I got an avocado, a couple of the green apples with caramel dip to throw in my husband's lunches next week or this week. And then a few snacky things also again for my husband's lunches. So I got the Hormel Natural Choice. This is the uncured pepperoni, cheddar, and crackers. And then I got his turkey and cheddar and chicken and cheddar. He absolutely loves these. Like, he always asks me about them to get them. He just loves them and says they're really good. So just an FYI, even if your kids maybe could take it for lunch or for a snack, he always says they're really good. I got some French onion dip for Sunday when we have some people over for football to put out. I personally don't eat this because it is pretty much like a sour cream based tasting dip. So I'll put this out for everybody else. I also got some Newman's salsa queso to put out with some corn chips. I'll just heat it up. I got a couple, this is the Contadina organic tomato sauce, which I'm going to use in a couple different recipes. Some large pearl olives. I got 4 yogurts. So I got a peach, a strawberry, and 2 blueberry. When I do eat yogurt, I'm very phasey with it. I like the Yoplait Original. I don't like the whips. I don't like the low fat or the fat free. I only like the Yoplait Original. And I'm not a huge yogurt fan, but when I do go through phases where I want it, this is what I get. My son has randomly been asking me for chocolate milk out of nowhere. And there was only a few different brands. There was like True Moo, which only came in a gallon. So I didn't want to get a whole gallon of it because he would be the only one that would drink it. I've heard a lot of great things about this brand. I'm pretty sure my mom gets it sometimes, not the chocolate milk, but like the 2%. This is lactose free, which we are not we're not a lactose free family, but I thought I would try it because it was the smallest one I could find, and again, I didn't want to get a whole gallon. This is the 50% less sugar, 2% ultra filtered, again, lactose free chocolate milk. So I'm going to try that for my son just to see what he thinks. Obviously, if he doesn't like it, I won't repurchase it. I got the Stonyfield organic whole milk. We go through 1/2 gallon per month. We don't really ever drink milk. We just use it in recipes or baking, things like that. So again, like a 1/2 gallon will last us a whole entire month. I also got the Cascadian Farm organic lemon blueberry granola. I went on a huge kick of this last year and went like bag after bag after bag. And I actually like to pour it over, I like to take the yogurt, put it in a bowl, and then pour a ton of this over the top with fresh fruit. And it's a really good breakfast for me, especially that I'm going to be going back to the gym next week, so I need something in my stomach. I got a few bananas. I got a large party size cheddar and sour cream to put out Sunday with this. And just obviously people can snack on the chips alone. I got some baby spinach for salads and a recipe. I got some fall or Halloween candy in the seasonal aisle to put out for football as well in like a candy dish. I got some flour tortillas because I'm pretty sure everybody wants me to make my beef enchiladas on Sunday as like the main meal. So I'm going to do a tray of beef enchiladas. I'm also going to, I also got some Mission jalapeno cheddar wraps for Matt's lunches next week. I got some ground turkey because I'm going to do my stuffed turkey burger patties. I have a recipe on that. I will link it down below. They are really delicious. I grabbed another of the Little Potato Company savory herb potatoes. These literally take 5 minutes. They're great. Really good side. Great also for meal prep if you want just a quick little side to put, to portion out if you're doing meal prep. These are really good. Some ditalini. Barilla is the only pasta I pretty much buy. I got a bag of yellow cooking onions because I ran out. Some Downy fabric conditioner. I was using the Gain plant-based one, but my son actually his skin is allergic to it, so I have to go back to this. And I'll have to just use the Gain one for myself and my husband's clothes and wash his clothes separately until that detergent or the conditioner is gone. I got a big bottle of the white cranberry strawberry juice, a big bag of potatoes because I'm going to do some freezer. I'll get to these. I'm going to do some freezer loaded twice baked potatoes. That's why I got these, which again I'll get to in just a minute. I got a cantaloupe to cut up for fruit prep for the week next week. Some spin brush refill, or I don't even know if that's the right word. The replacement heads for our spin brush toothbrushes. I got 10 of these aluminum containers to do the twice baked loaded potatoes. I do have a recipe on that, which I will link below. They freeze really well, and I want to do 10 containers of them to have in the freezer to stock up for fall. I also got some of these takeaways. They had a lot of great meal prep containers there, but since I don't do a whole lot of meals, I do just things that I can make into meals, which you guys will see in an upcoming meal prep / food prep video. But I did need more of this size, that rectangle flat size, so I grabbed this takeaways or take-alongs by Rubbermaid. It was $2 for this 3-pack, so it's 3 containers with 3 lids. I got some Skintimate shave gel to replace the one that I used up, some mouthwash because we're halfway done with the current bottle, and then I got a backup lotion. I really like to stock up my home in every way, shape, and form in the fall time. So I got that Nivea. This is the almond oil 48-hour moisture, and I'm absolutely loving this. I currently have one that I'm using now that's about half gone. Hopefully I did not forget anything, guys. Again, this was $139, and I'm going to share with you now my meal plan for the upcoming week. Alright, so meal plan from Sunday the 9th through Saturday the 15th. One night I'm going to make the turkey feta patties with the garlic fries that I got a few weeks back. We were supposed to have those with steak, but it never ended up happening, and I made something else. And then I'll do veggies or a salad on the side. Sunday the 9th is football. Like, not really a party, just we're kind of just going to have some people over, a little get together. But for the appetizers, I'm going to do deviled eggs. I'm going to do chips dip, pretzels, queso, and then I'll do the tray of enchiladas and Spanish rice as like the main event, and then some people who are coming are bringing things as well. So obviously the whole burden is not going to be on me. Obviously people who are coming are bringing, some people are bringing beer or whatever they want to drink. I know my girlfriend's going to bring like cookies or brownies or something sweet or even cupcakes. So pretty much all I'll have to make is just quickly put the appetizers out. If I do need to make that pizza, the margarita pizza, I will, but the main entree is going to be enchiladas and Spanish rice. One day next week, I'm going to do hole in the bread with hash brown casserole and bacon. For no meat night, I'm going to do pasta primavera with angel hair and just use up any veggies I need in that dish, salad and bread. I'm going to do my favorite soup that I make all the time. It's a sausage and veggie soup in the crock pot. Really, really easy, and I'll do this on a day where I'm going to be out of the house for most of the day next week. Of course, I always have my freebie night. I did X out breakfast because we are going to already have it one night next week, but you never know. Every once in a while we have breakfast twice a week or leftovers, so I'll just kind of leave it a freebie night for now. And then next Saturday the 15th is our actual wedding anniversary. It's our 11-year wedding anniversary. So my in-laws are watching Grady while Matt and I go out to a restaurant for dinner. So it'll be a really nice week, and it's back to school week. It's just kind of a crazy time. Everybody's trying to get into their new routine. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this week's meal plan and grocery haul. Have a great weekend, and I will see you all in my next video. Actually, the next video is going to probably be tomorrow on Saturday. So I'll see you guys then. Bye, guys.